Hey guys, we're out here in the middle of the night. Well, early morning. It's about 4 a.m. In fact, I don't know if you can see it up at the moon. Check it out. But there's some interesting sounds that go on here at night. A lot of people wonder what this bird is. You know, they call it a snipe and the various other different things. We're going to see if we can get one to call. But what it is, it's called a Saw-Whet Owl. And the reason they call it a Saw-Whet Owl is because back in the olden times, when they used to sharpen saw blades and stuff on a big grinding wheel, it makes a similar sound to that. It makes various different calls, but I don't know if you heard it or not, but that's the sound it makes when it flies around. It's sort of like a weird hooting sound. Oh, there's one calling. Oh, there's two of them. One's calling and one's flying around hunting. Some people find it really annoying because it goes on for hours and hours. Hopefully you can hear that okay. Oh, one just flew right over my head. That's so cool. Man, this is just one of the most amazing, actually no, it is the most amazing place in the world to live. And I'm sticking by it. That's my story. Let's try it again. See if we can, oh, there it goes. See, it'll keep making that sound. It's calling for a mate. And until it finds a mate, it'll do that. That's incredible. Anyway, there you go. Beautiful Alaska. Gotta love it. Peace.